going to teach you how to assemble the flange nut with the T-bolt. This is the final effect of the two T-slots into a frame. Now I'm going to assemble the T-slot with the T-bolt and the flange nut. Okay, now here, slide the T-bolt into the slot. Then put the bracket on it. Use the flange nut to fasten it. Now here I can slide it from this side to another side. In the last, fasten it. This one is done. Now let's come to another one. It's the same. Slide the T-nut into it. Put the bracket on it. Okay, now I'm fastening the flange nut. As you can see, it can slide from the side to another side. Finally, fasten the nut. Okay, now it's done. It's a complete frame.